Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you BetterMe app review. So if you've been looking for a comprehensive way to manage your fitness, nutrition, and mental wellness all in one place, let's sit down and talk about the BetterMe health coaching app. Now, it is a highly personalized mobile health and coaching platform designed for both iOS and Android devices. Now, the core philosophy behind BetterMe is to provide holistic wellness program that adapts to your specific physical abilities, age, and lifestyle goals. Now, what does the BetterMe app offers? Now, rather than focusing solely on intense gym workouts, BetterMe combines physical training, nutritional planning, and cognitive wellness. Now, here are the primary features that you will find inside the platform. So first is diverse workout library. And the app features a massive selection of guided, easy to follow exercises you can do anywhere with minimal to no equipment. They also have customized nutrition and meal plans. Now, BetterMe provides structured meal plans tailored to various dietary preference, including keto, vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, lactose-free, paleo, and also diabetes-friendly plans. Each plan includes a complete ingredient list, step-by-step cooking instructions, and detailed nutritional breakdowns, which is kind of cool. Now, they also have calorie and water trackers, so the app features the intuitive calorie tracker where you can log your food manually or snap a photo of your plate for an instant nutritional breakdown. They also have what we call intermittent fasting trackers. Now, for those incorporating fasting into their routine, and also one-on-one coaching. Now, if you need extra guidance here, BetterMe offers access to live professional coaches as an optional additional paid feature. Now, what about the official pricing and subscription here? Now, BetterMe is free to download, but accessing the personalized plans and tracking features requires a subscription. Now, pricing options vary based on the subscription tier and the current promotional discount. So this may change from time to time. So currently, the 1 week trial here proceeds at around like $17.77. So often discounted to like $6 or around $7. They also have the 4 week plan here. Standard cost is around like $38.95. Discounted options are around like $15.19. Now the 3 month option here, which is 12 week a 12-week plan here. Standard cost is around like 94.85, and the standard monthly plan here, which is a straight monthly subscription, is typically priced at $19.99 per month. So yeah, subscriptions are handled directly through Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and automatically renew unless canceled at least 24 hours before the bidding cycle actually ends. Now, to get you started here or with the platform, the official user flow or the official way to use it is you need to go to either the App Store or Google Play Store, download the app, and just complete the assessment. Now, typically from there, they'll be able to assess what you need and what's the best thing you could actually do or they could actually offer for you. But yeah, also some tip here so you can actually sync BetterMe directly with Apple Health and Google Fit, which is kind of cool. So allowing the app to automatically import your daily step counts, heart rate, and sleep metrics from your smart devices. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.